Good morning everyone. So today we have one more experiment on compressor. So centrifugal compressor, okay? So compressor system characteristic. So this is our equipment, the centrifugal compressor. So we have the inlet aperture, then we have the outlet aperture here, then you have the temperature sensor, and we have the 7-stage centrifugal compressor. So it is run by a motor here below, okay? So this compressor is interfaced with our software, okay? So our software can give you the reading on torque, on the speed, on the discharge. So this is the compressed air discharge. Also, it can able to control our equipment by powering it on and set the motor setting. So the motor setting will give you the capacity of the compressor. Then we have the options to record our reading. Now in this software also we can read the pressure at the inlet, pressure and temperature. So the air is coming here at the inlet and then compressed 7-stage. And going out you have the compressor pressure and the orifice, okay? So to perform a compressor system characteristic, first we need to set a fixed aperture. So for example, 2/3 opening, okay? At 2/3 opening of our aperture, and we will vary the speed. So varying the motor speed. So for example, at 100%, we will start at 100% with fixed aperture. We will observe what will happen to the reading. So powering it on, start with 100%. Take one reading by pressing this go button here. Then change the speed to 90% with the same aperture opening, which is 2/3 opening. Then press the go button. Then make it 80%. Press the go button. And so on. So I'm decreasing the speed of the compressor. So 60. 50. Take the reading. 40. 30. Go take the reading. 20. Go take the reading. And let's say at 10. Go and take the reading. So from 100, I'm decreasing my speed. Okay? Observe the discharge of the compressor. The speed and the discharge. So it will be recorded on this table. So by selecting this table, you will see all your readings here. So the density of air, the orifice differential pressure, compressor differential pressure, and so on. At the end of this, you have the compressor efficiency and the predicted compressor efficiency. So you will just need to plot the graph according to the required results on the lab sheet. Okay? So we can try another trial by increasing the speed. So by selecting this new option here, select OK. Go for diagram. On this case, I will start with a motor setting of 10. So I will change or I will vary my aperture opening. So aperture opening, I change it for some diameter opening of my aperture. So I will start with motor setting of 10. So 10%, okay? 10% of the speed. Record the torque, speed, and discharge. So take the first reading by clicking this go button here. By clicking this go button here, you have about 10%. Then you have about 20. Take the reading at 30. Go. 40. Take the reading, go. 50. Go. So as you increase the percentage of our compressor settings, observe the equipment, okay? So 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, and at 100% capacity of our compressor. Take the go button here and take your reading. Okay? Take the reading of the experiment. Okay? So you have the atmospheric pressure, compressor speed, the torque. So everything that you will need is recorded by the software. So the mechanical power, the inlet velocity, outlet velocity, total pressure, output, compressor efficiency. What you need to do is to get all the readings, then plot the graph, and make your analysis, discussion, and conclusion about the compressor system characteristics. So the whole system characteristic. Okay. So everything is discussed on the theory. So this will ends the experiments on compressor system characteristic.